So it's around 7 p.m. this Friday night, and already put the chickens away. But I was really tired today, and I fell asleep for about 2 hours, took a little nap. Usually I put the chickens in before I do that because I get worried about, we got hawks flying around. But they've been doing okay the last few days. I haven't seen the hawks, so I let them. Came out to see this. It's my poblano chili plant. I just watered it though. This is my jalapeno plant. This is my other poblano. And I don't know which one did this, but I'm pretty sure because I've caught her a bunch of times. I usually squirt water at her when I'm out here, and that's the white chicken, my fat girl. This is my serrano, or one of my serrano plants. She ate most of the leaves. Of course, she didn't touch the peppers, which I guess is some blessing, but I think the plants will survive, but it's going to set them back. I watered it down because they also dug it up. But yeah, I was pretty pissed, but you know, they're animals and you got to watch them. They're just like small children. If you don't keep an eye on them all the time, they do stupid shit and start destroying everything. So, yep, I guess sometimes you just gotta laugh it off. And I guess the good thing is, for whatever reason, she didn't touch my hot pepper plant or one of my eggplant. She did destroy my other eggplant. Hopefully it survives. I'd moved most of the other plants, well, all the other plants, to the front yard because it gets more sunlight. So, a little bit disappointing.